Statistics for machine learning. Statistics is a core components of data analytics and machine learning. It helps you analyze and visualize data to find unseen patterns. With this basic understanding, it is time to dive deep into learning all the crucial concepts related to statistics for machine learning. What is statistics? Statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and visualizing empirical data. Type of statistics: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics are the two major areas of statistics. These topics we are going to discuss: descriptive statistics, probability, inferential statistics, and linear algebra. Descriptive statistics are for describe the properties of sample and population data. What has happened? Topics under descriptive statistics: sample and population, central tendency, mean, median, mode, modality, graphical representation, measures of variability, standard deviation and variance, covariance and correlation, outlier, skewness. This is very important things. Sixth and seventh point also. Inferential statistics. Inferential statistics use those property to test hypothesis, reach conclusion, and make prediction. What can you expect? Relationship with descriptive statistics: point and interval estimation, confidence interval, Z distribution, T distribution, hypothesis testing, type of hypothesis, level of significance and p-value, type of error, one-tail and two-tail test, type of test in statistics like Z test, T test, ANOVA, chi-square test, etc. Probability denotes the possibility of the outcomes of any random events. Analyze the chances of events occurring. Represents a numerical values between 0 and 1, describing how like an event is to happen. Basic probability concept: random variables and types, binomial, normal, and Poisson distribution, Bayes theorem, convolution, softmax, and cross entropy. Also, we will discuss with discrete distribution, continuous distribution, standard normal distribution, standardization, normalization, skewness and kurtosis, Gaussian distribution, R square and adjusted R square, randomization. All are very important. We will discuss in our machine learning course.